The induction motor is the heartbeat of industry, but controlling its speed is a complex challenge. We need a modern, sophisticated solution. The variable frequency drive, or VFD, grid power has a fixed frequency, which locks the motor to a single, predetermined speed. This is like having a car permanently stuck in first gear. The VFD's genius lies in breaking this fixed AC power down and then meticulously rebuilding it into a variable frequency, the key to flawless speed control. This sophisticated digital control allows the motor's speed to be perfectly matched to the required load, leading to massive energy savings and unparalleled precision. Understanding this technology requires mastering 3 electrical stages. Let's dive into the core of the VFD's electronic magic. The VFD begins its work at the rectifier stage. Here, the incoming 3-phase AC power is forcefully converted into DC power. The diodes act as one-way gates. They ensure current flows only in a single direction, converting the AC input into pulsating DC power. The next vital stage is the DC bus, or DC link. This is the heart of the VFD's power stability. The massive capacitors filter the bumpy, pulsating DC wave, absorbing and storing the energy until it becomes a flat, stable DC line. This clean DC bus acts as a temporary energy reservoir. It isolates the input AC power from the output control stage, ensuring a stable high-voltage supply. For applications where the motor acts as a generator, for example, when braking, that regenerative energy is pushed back onto the DC bus. This excess voltage is shunted to a braking resistor, which safely dissipates the energy as heat, protecting the capacitors from overvoltage. The final stage is the inverter. Here, the smooth DC power is chopped and rebuilt into the perfect variable frequency AC wave for the motor. The core principle is pulse width modulation. This is the VFD's intelligence, determining the motor's exact speed and power. The IGBTs are computer-controlled switches that rapidly turn the DC voltage on and off thousands of times per second to simulate an AC sine wave. To create a low-frequency wave, slow motor speed, the PWM signal uses long, wide pulses, stretching out the time between the simulated cycles. To create a high-frequency wave, fast motor speed, the PWM uses short, narrow, and frequent pulses, compressing the simulated cycles. Crucially, the VFD maintains a constant voltage-to-frequency VF ratio. This ensures that the motor always receives the required magnetic force to maintain torque. This precise control allows the motor to be ramped up smoothly from 0 speed to maximum speed, eliminating the harsh, mechanical shock of direct starting methods. The result is a near-perfect AC wave, not but perfectly adequate to run the motor efficiently and smoothly across its entire operating range. The soft start capability drastically reduces mechanical stress on components like the gearbox, couplings, and pump seals, significantly extending equipment lifespan. This ability to run the motor at reduced speed for extended periods often translates to massive energy savings. The VFD's primary economic advantage. The VFD is also a superior protection device. It constantly monitors for conditions like overcurrent and undervoltage, protecting the motor better than any relay. Beyond standard protection, VFDs can detect subtle issues like a broken drive belt or a clogged pump, allowing for proactive maintenance. For sophisticated processes, VFDs can be integrated into closed-loop control systems, using feedback from an encoder to maintain exact positioning or speed. While the output power is clean, the rapid switching of the IGBTs can cause harmonic distortion on the incoming grid line, which requires external filters. For critical applications, advanced VFDs use active front-end AFE technology to correct these harmonics, ensuring they only draw perfect, clean power from the utility grid. From massive industrial fans and water treatment pumps to the propulsion systems in electric vehicles, the VFD is the true master of modern motion control. The era of fixed-speed operation is fading. The VFD represents a smarter, greener, and more flexible future for every electrical motor in the world. If you were impressed by this complex fusion of power, electronics, and precise control, please like this video and subscribe to UA Electric for more essential breakdowns.